Hi friends, today we start Python tutorial and this is the first lesson. This lesson is introduction to Python and it will be as questions and their answers. So let's get started. First question is, what's Python? Python is a popular programming language created in 1991 by Dutch programmer Gudo van Russon. In technical, Python is object-oriented programming language, OOP, and it's high-level programming language. Okay, what does mean high-level programming language? Briefly and simply, in high-level programming language, you just focus on what you write. You don't need to focus how do you write it. You can learn more about high-level programming language on internet.
The second question is, why is it called Python? When Guido began to implement the language, he was looking for a unique, short, and slightly mysterious name for the language, and at the same time, he was read the published scripts, Monty Python's Flying Circus, the BBC comedy series from the 70s. So simply he decided to call it Python. The third question is, why Python? Python has many features. 1. Python is interpreted programming language. In interpreted programming language, you don't need to compile a code. The code will automatically execute when you write. Python is easy to learn, easy to read, flexible, and cross-platform programming language. In a cross-platform programming language, you can write one code for many operating systems. Python is an open source programming language. The fourth question is, what can I do with Python? With Python, you can create and develop cross-platform desktop programs. You can create and develop web applications. You can create and develop Android, iOS, and Windows Phone apps. You can create and manage huge database systems. The fifth question is, what will I do for this tutorial? Don't worry about it, because you won't need a lot. Just computer machine and downloading Python software from the official website www.python.org. Therefore, your Python's version and your operating system should be agreed. Finally, don't forget subscribe, share, and like for this video. That's all for this lesson. See you soon.